My people, now good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. I greet you according to my time. Now welcome back to another video. Today's video, my people, are going to show you how to cook eggplant sauce. This sauce, if you use and eat anything, yam, plantain, side, if you use on a side dish, very yummy. So this now all my ingredients, as you guys can see. So I get dry mackerel fish, smoked mackerel fish. This fish now me done by myself. So if you want to know how to do this fish, I get the video in my channel there. If you go check them out. So this now black pepper, then my seasoning, fresh pepper, wash and slice already. Then this now onions. Then this now the eggplants. I don't wash them already, so I have to just cut and put them for fire. Then the other one red oil. So if I go still add anything, I go still let you know. So my people, if today na the first day will be say you just see this my channel, I beg, may you not forget to subscribe, make you like this video, make you share. Trust me, you not go regret why you know this channel. So my people, now be this. So I don't cut them, then I can put water, take cover am, then I can cover am, make it cook. So guys, if you don't watch me up to this time, don't forget to like this video, abeg, make una share with your loved ones and family. So after 15 minutes, so now be this, it don't cook already. Then I can remove the water, then I can sieve and remove the water, then I can put her for rubber. Then I can use this spoon, take mash am. As you guys can see, I can mash am. This sauce is very yummy. I can mash am, so you guys can see. Just mash am to take one time. So if you mash am to the size of how you take one time, then me I dey like to mash am well, but not too smooth, not too. So guys, so this is it. I don't do finish. So like this, I dey like them. I don't mash and finish. So now make we start to dey cook. Then I can put my pot for fire. Then I can put red oil. This sauce na red oil that they take cook am. So I can put red oil. Then I can leave and make it hot for like 3 minutes. Then later I can put my sliced onions. I can fry them. I can fry them for like 2 to 3 minutes. So now my people, make una like this video, make una share, make una leave next comment for me. Okay, I see una hard work on my channel. Thank you all so much for your love and support, I really appreciate them. Una do well. So guys, I can fry them for like 3 minutes. Then after that one, then I can put sliced habanero pepper, which is a fresh pepper. Then I can stir everything together. Yes guys, everywhere does the scent already for my house. So my people, then I can put my smoked mackerel fish. I wash and then I can debone am. Then I can add them inside. Then I can stir everything together. So as you guys can see, the sauce is giving already. Everywhere they scent for my house. So guys, I can fry am small. Then later I can add the seasoning. I can add my black pepper, just add everything. So if you add any seasoning of your choice. So at this point, if you add anything, any seasoning of your choice. So I can add salt. Then I can stir together. Yummy. Then after that, I can put the eggplant. I can put the eggplant. Then I can stir them together. My sauce is almost ready. They're almost ready. Then I can put the sauce. Then I can stir everything together. It's looking so yummy already. So I can cover am, make it cook. Then I can cover after 2 minutes. Then I can stir again. Then I can taste for seasoning. And it will just dey okay. Everything just dey okay. You no need seasoning again. You just dey okay. This sauce you fit use am eat yam, use am eat potato, plantain, anything you fit use am eat am. So this is it, guys. It's ready. It's ready. This sauce tastes so yummy. Like, this sauce tastes so yummy. So that's it, guys. Voila, my sauce is ready. My sauce is ready. We go dey pair this sauce with yam. We go dey eat am with yam. My people, how una see this sauce? This na wetin una go dey try. If una try am, make una let me know for the comment section or wetin una think. Okay, so give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment. I'll see you again for my next video. Now bye bye.